Made up of coastal mangroves, sawgrass marshes, and pine flatwoods, and home to hundreds of animal species, the Florida Everglades are a thing of immense natural beauty, and a little mystery too. Covering 1.5 million acres of Florida wetlands, Everglades National Park is perhaps the country's most famous wetland, and you can easily explore it at Sawgrass Recreation Park. Previously used as a fishing camp, Sawgrass Recreation Park opened as a one-boat airboat attraction in the 1970s. It has since become one of South Florida's top tourist destinations, in addition to expanding its animal rescue, education, and conservation efforts within the Everglades. Sawgrass Recreation Park has the largest fleet of airboats in the United States and is open 363 days each year. On a 30 to 40 minute tour, the airboat will glide across the glassy water at up to 40 miles per hour. Aboard, guests will learn about the Everglades ecosystem, American alligators, and other animals that inhabit the area.